Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to install TCPView on your Windows computer step by step. TCPView is a free tool from Microsoft Sysinternals that lets you monitor active network connections in real time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. Next, open the TCPView download page and click the Download TCPView button. Wait for the zip file to finish downloading. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the downloaded zip file and choose Extract All to unzip its contents. Now open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll find TCPView 64, exe for 64-bit Windows and TCPView, exe for 32-bit Windows. Double-click the correct file to launch TCPView. If Windows displays a security prompt, simply click Yes to continue. Within a few seconds, TCPView will open and display all active TCP and UDP network connections on your computer. That's it. You have successfully installed and opened TCPView on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.